If you're a new agency setting up your products for the first time, it's important to know how to do that correctly. Go here to Administration, hit Product Configuration, and you'll see all the suppliers and products right here. Most are already loaded in for you, but maybe you're not going to use some of those and you want to delete them. It's very important to know that we have to delete from right to left. So for instance, if you're not going to sell Celebrity Cruise Line, click on Celebrity, here on Celebrity again, and as you notice here we've got 2 ships listed. You can't just delete Celebrity. By doing that, it's going to stay. So I click again. I'm going to go from right to left. I'm going to first get rid of the Eclipse. I will then get rid of the Ascend ship. And now I can get rid of Celebrity altogether, and it will not be on my list of things to sell. Now in the future, if you decide to add a supplier, just click New Product, put that supplier in, click the country, the currency you're using, and then this display order, if you want it to be alphabetical, you can just put 100 in here and hit Save. And so now it's going to show up down here. And you can decide, I mean, for the part of the products you use, it might be a destination here, might be a resort, but for a cruise line, I'm going to go ahead and just put the name of the cruise line in again, because that makes the most sense. Hit Save. Then when I click here, I can go in and add the ships underneath. So Celebrity Ascend is one, and we've got, I'll add one more that my agents are selling. And there, that's now going to show up under each reservation. And then as you sell more ships, you might want to just go ahead and add all of them at once. You can also add itineraries. So if you want to add the itineraries that the Ascend sails to, you can do that. And maybe it goes to a couple. You could do, I'm just making these up, but that way, as you're filling out your reservation, you can choose what itinerary that particular ship is going to. But again, if you're going to delete something, you have to make sure that you do it from right to left. Now let's say you want to change the name of something. You can certainly do that. So if I want to change this now and have it be Eastern Caribbean, I could do that. And then I could add a Western Caribbean. But just remember, if you've ever used one of these itineraries or resorts or destinations on a reservation, you will not be able to delete it because it is with that reservation that you used it for. So it cannot be deleted if you've ever used it.